this is Russ. I got a Christmas gift box from ENGWE. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, they sent me this box. Let's open it up. Let's see what it looks like. I'm going to open it up down here and show you the contents. Got to have a knife to do that, right? So let's see what they gave me here. Like a kid in a candy store. It's like goodies. Let's see what they got here. Oh. ENGWE stickers. Let's look at these stickers. Explore a new way, ENGWE. Yeah, thanks, ENGWE. Yeah, we got stickers. Okay, let's put that to the side here. What else did they send me? Oh, look. Let's get rid of the box here. It's a bag. It's a bag that says, explore a new way, ENGWE. Oh, well, okay, there's things inside the bag. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, I think they're doing a promotion that they would like you to enter. If you go to their webpage or their Facebook page, Instagram page, they have details there. I'll put some links in the description so you can get there directly. Then you can enter and you can get some stuff too. They've got like 25 limited Christmas boxes that they're giving away. Okay, water bottle. That comes in handy. Yep. Okay, let's put that to the side. Gloves. Yeah, for you winter riders. Let's open this up. I can't open it up. Yeah, let's open it up. Let's see what it looks like. I think it's taped in there pretty good. Nice. ENGWE gloves. Yeah, they got some grippy things too on it. Thanks. What else do we have? Ooh. It's a bag. It's a bag full of goodies. What do we have here? Oh, okay. Sunglasses. Oh, this has a lot of stuff here. Look at this. Sunglasses. They have different lenses to goes with it. So you can change. That one was like a mirrored finish thing. This one is like yellow. They have a blue one, just a dark one if you just want standard sunglass things. Whoops. Clear one. Some type of clip thing for your glasses too. I don't know what this is. I'll have to play with that. What else is in here? Some type of lanyard for it and a carrying bag. And all that fits inside this case. Oh, I see. The case actually has little perforations here that you can actually put you can put these extra lenses in here. That's kind of cool. Yeah, so you can kind of keep all the different lenses and stuff together, all in one zip bag. That's nice. Thank you. What else did they give me? What is this? Yeah, we have to open everything to see it. There's no way to look through the plastic. It's like a towel thing. ENGWE. Yeah, it's like a ENGWE towel. Thanks. Not really sure what I use this for, but I will find something for it, I'm sure. Thank you for that. What other goodies do they have in here? Oh, this is just the strap for the bag. Yeah, I think that's it. Cool. Okay. So we get a bag. We get glasses, sunglasses, which fit in here. It's kind of nice. And then we have a towel, ENGWE towel. There you go. And then, oops, I dropped the the gloves. Here we go. Well, one of the gloves. And some stickers. Yeah, thanks a lot, ENGWE. I appreciate it. And you guys, if you guys want to have a chance of winning one of these too, they have 25 of these boxes apparently that they would like to give away as well. Just go ahead and go to the ENGWE links that I have in the description of the video. You could enter to win the possibility of one of these things too. Thanks a lot, ENGWE. I appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys next time.